Welcome viewers, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be sharing some effective growth strategies for consumer packaging goods or CPG manufacturing businesses. Whether you're in the planning stages or already running your business, this video will offer you valuable insights to help drive your success. We'll be covering topics ranging from establishing valuable partnerships to the importance of data collection and maintenance. We'll also take a look at the impact of innovation on your business growth. So, if you're as passionate about your business idea as we are about helping you succeed, stay tuned. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Are you ready to start your own consumer packaging goods manufacturing business? It's a thrilling journey, and we're here to guide you through it. First and foremost, you must have a passion for your idea. The CPG industry is brimming with opportunities, but to seize them, you need to believe in your idea and your company from the very beginning. Prepare for some bumps in the road, and always keep your vision at the forefront of your efforts. Remember to create a mission statement and return to it whenever the going gets tough. Next, get close to your customers. Social media channels offer you a direct path to potential and existing customers. By joining relevant industry conversations, you can develop your CPG company and products. Once you're up and running, stay tuned in to understand your customers' reactions, problems, needs, and feedback. Active listening is a fantastic way to keep your finger on the pulse of your target audience. Establishing valuable partnerships is another crucial step. There's no better way to launch and grow your CPG business than to piggyback on the shoulders of bigger players. Seek out other companies, influencers, contractors, or suppliers who can help you get the word out. If they believe in your product and it can help them do their jobs or sell their product more effectively, it can be a win-win arrangement for both of you. From the get-go, start collecting data. As you begin manufacturing your product, track the costs of production, packaging, distribution, and shipping. Consider tracking the cost of things like inventory management so you have a clear picture of costs. If profitability eludes you after an initial launch, you'll have some data to help you understand why. Make sure you're visible in as many marketing channels as possible. Consumers make buying decisions based on ongoing exposure through various channels every day. Conduct some research to better understand your target audience and where they are most likely to shop. Take advantage of getting your products not only into physical stores, but also on major online retail sites. And don't forget to sell off your own website as well. There are many tools available today to help you understand the competition and shopper behavior. As you grow your CPG business, take advantage of as many as you can afford. Gather data that can help you predict how to move forward based on competitor activity and promotion effectiveness. Don't forget about maintenance. As you streamline production of your CPG product and acquire assets to support your manufacturing, don't neglect maintenance of your investments. Consider investing in a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to manage your physical space like the upkeep of your HVAC system as well as any equipment you run. Lastly, remember to innovate. One reason that there's such a big opportunity for new CPG businesses is that the millennial generation demands customized, personalized products. The big box CPG companies failed to prioritize innovation in their product development. According to market research firm IRI, the smallest CPG companies are the fastest growing segment, while the largest players find sales lagging. Even if your CPG company experiences a successful launch, remember to keep listening to your customers' feedback. Tweak, change, and improve your product, packaging, and distribution on an ongoing basis. Well thought out innovation based on solid data from your customer base will be rewarded with greater profitability and customer loyalty. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered key concepts such as the importance of passion for your idea, establishing valuable partnerships, data collection, and the significance of innovation in your business growth. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep growing and innovating.